I will huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your grain bin down. This is what happens when Ryan tips the bulk bin over. He didn't do it. That was the wind and the rain and the mud and all that. It sunk in, probably twisted a leg and blew it over. Well, cleanup day. On a farm, you never know what we're going to be doing. Today, we moved cows, and the wind and the rain made it soft, so our bulk bin that we grind feed with blew over. So we had to clean that up today. We just got done doing that. My son's back in the auger out. It had a flat tire on, of course, but we decided to just go with it and get it done. So that's where we're at on that. On to the next project today. Who knows what that is?
Hey guys, I'm Kayla. I'm Matt's daughter. Today we are working on getting this hay trailer ready. I own a graphic design.
Guys, gonna take you along for a little adventure, change of plans. We're gonna try to get our bull separated off and back in his lot, and I'm going to bring a hay bale down to try to get them back over here because they're laying back in the back pasture. So we're gonna bring a hay bale and try to get them down in here and try to get him sorted off and put back where he is supposed to be. So join us on this adventure. daughter and wife are going to be helping us on this deal, so I'll tell her what we're going to go do. That's the plan, guys. Let's see what happens. It's always fun. Sometimes it works out like $1 million, and sometimes, yeah. We're gonna go back. My father-in-law's baler, I got some hay from him, and on his baler it's a twine tie baler, so I'll go back and get one of those bales. I don't really want to cut the wrap off of one. We may put it in this other bale ring later here. This is kind of my first feed pile. Leftover hay. Hay that might be a little questionable. Get it out of the way early and then feed the quality hay through the folder. Seeing it, so we'll go over here and come in the gate down here at the bottom and lure them up this way. Has not went up much here today. Still showed the 19 and 9, but 19 degrees Fahrenheit with a wind chill down to 9 degrees. feasible to move. Fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Stay tuned for some more singing. And of course, he's the last one. In a one-horse open sleigh, over there, laughing all the way, making spirits bright. Jingle all the way. Fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Got Linda coming. Snake through here. To ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Open sleigh! Yeah. Wow. Coming in. And just let him come, Kayla. He's getting a little ornery. His ornery could hurt. Yeah, we're probably gonna shut that one and then at least have him this much closer. That's not Rascal. I'd say so, yeah. 'Cause that one's not Rascal, but Rascal was a bull, but Yum Yum, or who's that? No, that's 6180, ain't it? No. Doesn't matter to me.
Watch him.
I'll go see if I can bring him through. Yeah. Easy girls. Come on, Rio. Come on. Come on. I think we better wait here a second. Yep. Come on, buddy. Come on. Maybe it'd be easier to run them in, run cows back out. Some. I think when you start letting them out up here, he's going to want to go. We'll just try not to get any more than we have to, you know. Chill, buddy. Come on, Rio. Let's go. Come on. Well, let's wait a minute here. Come on. Come on, guys. Or we can just let him in. That's fine, too. Whatever works. Okay, guys. Now we go. That was not too bad.